Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload music to Soundcloud. So first of all, open your Soundcloud and make sure to log into your account and then click on upload. And you can change your privacy from here and click on choose files to upload. And now I'm gonna selecting my audio here. And you can change your music title from here. You can change permalink. You can change genre. You can add description. You can add caption here, and also you can change music privacy from here. And then click on metadata and fill up this form using your music information. So all you have to do is just click on save. And here you can see my music has been uploaded, and I'm gonna click on go to your track, and here you can see my music. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.